local government officials of Zamboanga, Sibugay. No, ang presensya pa lang niya daan, that makes a difference. No, that our athletes will eventually be motivated to produce more goals, not only here in regional meet, but eventually in the Palaro. So, with our convergence now, there's really synergy, teamwork, and hopefully, with this athletic meet, we can select qualified best athletes to represent Region 9 in the Palaro and eventually harvest gold for Region 9. Of course, we have to thank God also for the good weather, for protecting us, for being us here all together. Siguro kinahanglan po palakpak atong ginawa na for this fine weather and eventually all of the